In today's video, we'll be going over WebWork's time tracking desktop application. In the home section, you'll be able to see the current project and task you're tracking time for, as well as write a description underneath it. Over here, you'll be able to see the amount of time you've tracked for today, as well as stop and start your tracking. Underneath the start and stop button, you'll be able to see a coffee cup. This allows you to start and stop your break time. So let's say I want to start my break. I click on it. Then I choose the break policy that I have, such as lunch. Then I click on start break, and here you can see that my time has stopped and now it's tracking it as break time. To stop tracking the break, you should just click on the coffee cup again and you'll resume back to tracking your normal time. In the overview section, you'll be able to see the amount of time you've tracked for today, as well as the activity level, productive time, and the time you've started working. At the bottom, you'll also see the amount of time you've tracked for this week, such as tracked time for today and weekly limit. At the very bottom, you'll be able to see your current version, as well as if this version is the latest version. However, if you have an outdated version, this text will turn red, as well as there will be a button for you over here to update to the current version. Next, we have the project section. Over here, you'll be able to see all the current projects you can track time for, as well as the tasks for them. If you don't have a project and you just want to track time, you can click on No Project and then click on No Task. This way you'll be able to track time without a project or a task. In the next section, you'll be able to see the project details, such as tracked time for today, this week, as well as the weekly limit. You can start and stop tracking different projects by clicking on the button here. This way you can easily switch from tracking one project to another. In the Shifts tab, you can see all the current shifts that have been assigned to you, as well as the details. Like here, I can see that on Tuesdays and Thursdays I've been assigned a shift that start from 2 p.m. until 11 p.m. This shift was created on 11th of March and repeats weekly, as well as you can see the time zone. If you want to go into details, you can click on Open in Web. This way it will open the web version of WebWork and you can see all the details. After shifts, we have screenshots. Here you'll be able to see all the current screenshots that have been taken on this account, as well as the ability to delete in bulk or individually. If you have the permission to delete the screenshot, you will be able to do it on this application. You can also view the screenshots in full screen by clicking on them. Next, we have three buttons that will take you to the web version of WebWork. Firstly, we have Go to Dashboard. Secondly, we have Go to Reports. And thirdly, we have Go to Chat. If we click on Go to Dashboard, it'll open the web version of WebWork and the dashboard. Here you'll be able to see all the data in your workspace. And if we click on Go to Reports, it'll open the Reports section in WebWork. Here you'll be able to see tracked hours, timeline, attendance, and etc. And if you click on the Go to Chat section on the application, it'll open the chat section in the web version, here. And if you want to go to the Help Center, you can go to the application and click on this button. This will take you to the Help Center of WebWork, where you can find any answers to your questions. After this, we have the Settings tab. Here you'll find all the settings of the application, such as select how many monitors can be captured. This basically means if you have more than one monitor, you can choose to capture either all three of them, two of them, or just one monitor. You can also change the screenshot mode, such as background mode. If this is on, whenever a screenshot is taken, a pop-up will not come out telling you that the screenshot was taken. You can also allow the application to automatically start up when the device is switched on by clicking on Auto Run. This way, once the device is switched on, the tracker will start tracking immediately. As well as you can allow the application to update by itself by clicking on the Auto Update button. If you forget to switch on your tracker, you can click on Remind Me to turn the tracker on. This way you can choose after how many minutes you want to be reminded to switch on your tracker, such as 10, 30, 60, and etc. You can also change the theme of the application, such as use system settings, light mode, dark mode, and schedule dark mode. After settings, you can go and click on your icon. Here you'll be able to see the current workspace you're working in, as well as switch your workspace. If you have any discrepancies in your data, you can click on Refresh Data. This way the application will refresh its data and fix any discrepancies if it has any. If you want to see if your application is up to date, you can click on Check for Updates. And here it will show you if your application is up to date, as well as links to download the newest version. After that, we have Customer Support. If you go down and click on Customer Support, you'll be taken to the web version, and here you'll be able to create a ticket to help you with any problems that you might have. Here, you can see that you can open a new ticket and see which ones you have are active and solved. Whenever you reach out to the customer support team, they might ask you to send them an error log. To do that, you should go down to the application, click on icon, and over here you'll see a button, Send Log. Click on it, and then you'll be able to send them a log. After that, we have Sign Out and Quit. If you want to log out of your account, you can click on Sign Out, and if you want to close the application, you can just click Quit.